you gonna nail these in, Paul?
Yeah.
Good job. Grandpa Wells would be very proud of you. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Wow, good job. When I was a little boy, my daddy used to do this with me. Whoa, 2 more to go. Good job. What about the last blue one? There's one more blue one. Where's that go? Put that there. Okay.
What's the other one?
The other one's in there. Nail that blue one in. You got one more to nail in. Here, nail this one in first. Can you get it? You want to use this hammer?
Okay.
I think that's going to be it. Woohoo! High five. Cole, what are you doing? What are you doing? Tell us.
That hole.
You're putting in nails? Yeah, let me get them out for you again. Tell Daddy, what are you going to do? What are you going to do?
Wait.
You're going to wait? Okay. There's some blue ones are up there. What are you going to do with them? Gonna nail them back in the holes? Can you tell me what you're doing?